I'm Jess Brandler, a master lash artist and supply brand owner. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing the exact steps that you can take to ensure you have the lowest amount of adhesive fumes in your space. The ideal situation for lash artists and clients is that our adhesives are super strong, our bonds are long lasting, and they're providing us with incredible retention. Did you know that you can have all of those things without you and your clients being exposed to all those super strong fumes? With the right practices and an incredible adhesive formula, you will be able to lower the amount of fumes that you have in your space. And trust me, it'll be a huge benefit to your health and to your client's experience when they finally open their eyes. All right, so here's what you gotta do. First, you need to start with a low fume adhesive. Some adhesives just have a really strong output, and no matter what you do with them, you're going to have a pretty strong sense of their fumes. Our Clearly Luxe and Simply Black formulas were created specifically for that low fume output, so no matter what, that's always gonna be a great place to start. So as you may or may not know, our lash adhesives cure from hydrogen. A great practice is every time you get a new drop, dispense a bead of water over the drop you're previously working with as a way to detonate it. This will immediately shock cure your previous drop and prevent it from continuing to emit fumes right near you and your clients' faces. The last thing that you want is a bunch of glue drops emitting fumes right next to you both. Cue the sensitivities and irritations. So don't forget, every time you dispense a new drop, detonate the old one with a little bead of water. Now, because our adhesive cure from hydrogen, another thing that you can do is keep a small amount of water nearby your workspace as a means of drawing the fumes from the air. They will literally be drawn to this small amount of water that you have. Maybe it's in a bottle cap or something. That's another great way to pull the fumes away from your faces and towards the water source. This is a great idea if your humidity is lower, but it's not such a great idea if your humidity is already on the higher end. If it is, that alone will be helpful in reducing the amount of fumes that are present. The last tip is, just like you would nanomist at the end of the appointment to complete the curing process on the lash line, you can also nanomist throughout the appointment, just around you and your client's faces, as a way of introducing those little fine beads of water to eliminate the fumes from the air. And that's it. All of those things will help to keep your room super fresh without having all those nasty adhesive fumes hanging around while your adhesive does its thing. Thanks for watching. I'd love if you could subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get notified when I drop new content. Thanks again and happy lashing.